Yes, students, yesterday we have discussed physical properties and methods of preparation of aryl halides. Today we will discuss chemical properties of aryl halides. As aryl halides, these are having less reactivity towards the nucleophilic substitution reactions. As alkyl halide, we learned that there will be nucleophilic substitution reactions, but in case of aryl halides there is less reactivity towards the nucleophilic substitution reactions. So in this both there will be nucleophilic substitution reactions as well as electrophilic substitution reactions. So first we will discuss nucleophilic aromatic substitution reactions, and in this if aryl halides undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction, then we need drastic conditions, that means high temperature, pressure or strong nucleophilic reagents. For example, first reaction is replacement by hydroxyl group. It means we have to substitute Cl group with the OH group, that is hydroxyl group. Then we have to take high temperature and pressure, that is 623 Kelvin and high pressure, and there will be we add NaOH aqueous, and there will be substitution of Cl by the OH group, and there will be formation of phenol. Next reaction, replacement by amino group. Then we will add ammonia plus cuprous oxide at high pressure and temperature is 473 Kelvin. Then Cl group is substituted by the NH group. In this we also add strong conditions, that is high pressure, temperature and nucleophilic reagents, and this can also be prepared by the KNH2 in presence of liquid ammonia that act as strong base. KNH2, that is potassium amide, and this will act as strong base, and Br group is substituted by the NH2 group. Next reaction is replacement by the cyano group, and in this we add copper cyanide at 473 Kelvin, and this reaction will take place in presence of pyridine, and Br group is substituted by the Cn groups. Next is effect of substituents on the reactivity of aryl halides towards nucleophilic substitution. There are two types of substituents. One will be electron withdrawing substituents and other are electron releasing substituents. And electron withdrawing substituents that will activate the aryl halides towards nucleophilic substitution reactions at ortho and para position. For example, NO2 group, if we add at the para position, that is para nitrochlorobenzene, and we add 15% aqueous NaOH, and a reaction takes place at 423 Kelvin, then Cl group is substituted by the OH group. If we take 2 NO2, that is electron withdrawing groups, with respect to Cl, then reaction takes place in presence of aqueous sodium carbonate Na2CO3, and Cl group is easily substituted by the OH group. And in next we take 3 electron withdrawing substituents with respect to Cl group, then reaction simply with the warm water, and there will be substitution of Cl by the OH group. So electron withdrawing substituents activates the aryl halides towards the nucleophilic substitution reactions. Next is effect of electron releasing substituents, and these will deactivate the aryl halides towards the nucleophilic substitution reaction. And if we take electrophilic aromatic substitution, then opposite influence there will be. Electron withdrawing groups deactivate the aryl halides towards electrophilic substitution, whereas electron releasing substituents that will activate the aryl halides towards the electrophilic substitution reactions. And these are ortho and para directors. In spite of being deactivators, the halogens are ortho para directors, and in this we take reactions, that is benzene ring having halogen group, and electrophilic substitution reactions are first is halogenation X2 in presence of FeX3, and there will be at ortho and para position substitution. And if we take a nitration, that is HNO3 in presence of H2SO4, and there will be substitution at ortho and para position. Next, sulfonation at ortho and para position. Next is Friedel-Crafts alkylation, that is Rx plus AlCl3, and that will be at ortho and para position. So all these are the electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions. Next are the other reactions. First is formation of Grignard reagent, that is very simple. In this we take aryl halide plus magnesium in presence of dry ether, and there will be formation of Mg that will be inserted between aryl group and magnesium, ArMgX, and this is only in case of if X is Br or iodine. If we take aryl chlorides, then we add, in spite of dry ether, we add dry tetrahydrofuran, and there will be formation of ArMgCl. That is only in case of aryl chlorides. Second is Woods fitting reaction, that is in this we take aryl halides plus sodium plus alkyl halide, and there will be removal of 2NaBr and formation of toluene. Next is Ullmann synthesis, and in Ullmann synthesis we take idobenzene plus 2 copper molecule, that is the copper powder in sealed tube, and there will be formation of two arene groups, two benzene rings that will be connected, and that is called diphenyl plus removal of copper iodide. And aryl chlorides and bromides, if we take this Ullmann synthesis in case of aryl chlorides and bromides, then we need electron withdrawing substituents with respect to ortho or para position to the halogen group. So aryl fluorides do not undergo this reaction at all. Then there will be next reaction, reduction, that is we take nickel aluminium in presence of alkali NaOH. There will be substitution of Cl with the H group, and there will be formation of benzene. Next is oxidation, and there will be need of oxidizing agent, that is KMnO4, and there will be formation of COH, that is the oxidation of CH3 group with carboxylic acid formation, and that will be the oxidation. Next important reaction is relative reactivity of aryl halides with respect to alkyl halides. That means low reactivity of aryl halides towards the nucleophilic substitution reactions. And first main reason, that is the resonance. If we draw resonating structures of chlorobenzene, then there will be 5 structures, resonating structures. In resonating structures, there is double bond character between carbon and chlorine, and chlorine acquires positive charge and negative charge on benzene ring that will rotate, and there will be resonating structures. And if aryl halide is resonance stabilized, but there is formation of double bond between carbon and halogen, therefore that is stronger than the single bond, and bond length is also small, so it cannot be easily substituted by the nucleophilic reagent. So it is difficult to substitute the Cl group, and this can also be explained on the basis of their dipole moment values. If we take chlorobenzene, that is having dipole moment 1.7 dBi, while the dipole moment of alkyl chlorides, that is 2 to 2.2 d, that is dBi. So it means aryl halides are much less polar than the alkyl halides. So contributing structures, chlorine are having positive charge. It means it will not easily acquire negative charge from the carbon. So if positive charge, then it will be unstable, and there will be no removal of the Cl group or substitution of Cl group with the nucleophilic reagent. This can also be explained on basis of hybridization. If we take hybridization of carbon and Cl bond, that is double bond, and that will be in aryl halides. Halogen is sp2 hybridized, where in case of alkyl halides, that is sp3 hybridized. So in case of sp2, S character is 33%, whereas in case of alkyl halides, S character is 25%. So more the S character, more will be the electronegativity. In case of aryl halide, sp2 hybridization, so it will be more electronegative than the sp3 hybridized. So due to the more electronegativity nature, it will not easily substitute the or release of the removal of the halide groups, whereas bond length also decreases due to the more electronegativity values. Then this is also with the less polar character of aryl halides. So both these factors that will be the responsible for the low reactivity of aryl halides. Next is comparison of reactivity of nuclear and side chain halogen compounds. Some side chain halogen compounds are having same reactivity as the alkyl halides towards the nucleophilic substitution reaction. They are more reactive towards the nucleophilic substitution reactions. So first reaction, if we take benzyl chloride, that is side chain alkyl alkyl halide with KOH aqueous, then Cl group that will be in the side group will be substituted by the OH group, and there will be formation of benzyl alcohol. Same benzyl chloride, then now there are two Cl groups with the CH group with KOH aqueous, then both Cl groups are substituted by the OH group, and on one carbon atom two OH groups are unstable. There will be removal of water and formation of aldehyde. Then there will be, if three chlorine groups are present on the benzene ring, then we add KOH aqueous. There will be formation of just substitution of three Cl groups with the OH group and removal of water, and there will be formation of acid. So all these are the side chain reactions. Next is reaction with ammonia. Then if we add alcoholic ammonia, then Cl group is substituted by the NH2 group, and if we take potassium cyanide, then Cl group is substituted by the CN group. Next is the Woods fitting reaction, same as we have earlier discussed, that is the side chain plus 2 molecules of sodium plus alkyl halide or aryl halide, then there will be formation of ethyl benzene, and there will be the Woods fitting reaction. Next is Friedel-Crafts reaction. In this we take benzyl chloride plus benzene. There will be removal of HCl, and there will be bond formation between CH2 and aryl group, and this will be formation of diphenyl methane. Next is reduction. With reduction we add reducing agent, that is the zinc copper couple with in presence of alcohol, and there will be formation of toluene from the benzyl chloride. Next is reaction with magnesium, and there will be formation of Grignard reagent, and Mg group is inserted between the CH2 and Br group. Next is oxidation. In this we take two types of oxidizing agents. One is mild oxidizing agent, and second is strong oxidizing agent. HNO3 that act as strong oxidizing agent, that will oxidize whole the molecule into the COH group. So there will be formation of benzoic acid from the benzyl chloride. If we take mild oxidizing agent, lead nitrate, then from benzyl chloride there will be formation of aldehyde. So from strong oxidizing agent, acid formation, and from mild oxidizing agent there will be aldehyde formation. Next is halogenation of side chain, that is the reaction with Cl2 in presence of sunlight and high temperature, and there will be benzyl chloride, one hydrogen is substituted by the Cl group. There will be formation of benzyl chloride, dichloride. Then we take another halogenation Cl2, then there will be all the H groups are replaced by the Cl group, then that is called benzo trichloride. Next is reactions of the nucleus, and in this if we add aromatic electrophilic substitution reactions, in this we take Cl2 in presence of FeCl3, then there will be substitution at ortho and para position. Same nitration, that will be also NO2 group at ortho and para position. And sulfonation, then there will be SO3H group, that will be at ortho and para position. Next important topic also, explanation of difference in relative reactivities of side chain and nuclear halogen derivatives. It means side chain and aryl halides, that means there will be the difference, and side chain aryl halides are more reactive than the nuclear halogen derivatives or aryl halides. First point is nature of carbon halogen bond. Carbon halogen bond in case of aryl halides, for example chlorobenzene, that will be in resonating structures that requires double bond character, and therefore there will be carbon halogen bond length will be smaller and double bond character. Whereas in case of side chain, if we take benzyl chloride, then in that case there will be a purely single bond. So carbon carrying the halogen group, that is not involved in resonance in case of side chain. Therefore it will be less stronger as compared to aryl halide, so it can be easily substituted. Whereas in case of aryl halides, it cannot be easily substituted because double bond character due to the resonance. Next is point is state of hybridization of carbon carrying the halogen. In this due to the resonance in aryl halides, chlorobenzene, that will be halogen will be sp2 hybridized, whereas in side chain halogen compounds, that will be sp3 hybridized. So effective size of sp2 is less than the sp3, and there will be more electronegative character due to the more s character, because sp2 is having 33% s character, and whereas sp3 is having 25% s character. So more the s character, more will be the electronegativity. So in case of aryl halides, halogen is more tightly more electronegative towards the carbon, and it cannot be easily substituted by the nucleophilic reagents. Whereas in case of side chain halogen compound, hybridization is sp3, so the less electronegativity, single bond, and it can be easily released and release the halogen group, and it can be easily substituted. So these are the two difference points, that is the nature of carbon halogen bond, and second is the state of hybridization. So all these are the chemical properties. Thank you, students.